And I'm excited for fishing camp. I got like 3 weeks left. The trailer's already here and everything. Just need all my gear to show up. Oh, dude, it's here. Let's go. Let's get this stuff downstairs. Got the leaning tower of fishing gear out here. Let's go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. What is up, you guys? It's the first video we've made in like a month, and it is the fishing camp gear unboxing video. Super exciting. We got all the gear for fishing camp. Finally arrived. Mondo Amazon order. Good grief. Sorry that I have taken a month off of making videos. Got a major announcement at the end of this video. Stay tuned for some big fishing camp news. We're gonna jump right in and we're gonna unbox one of all of the many boxes and bags of fishing gear that we got. We got prizes that we got to give away. We got tackle boxes that have to be given out. Rods. We got some other goodies that are in there. Honestly, I ordered this like over a month ago. I may or may not have forgotten some of the stuff that I ordered. So some of it might even be a surprise to me. But let's get right into it. Box number one. Let's see what we got here. Maybe get some ASMR. I don't know how well the mic is going to pick everything up, but that's okay. What do we have in this beautiful box? Oh yeah. You guys are going to be very safe at fishing camp because we've got life jackets. You're not drowning today. Not on my watch. We take your safety very seriously. I'm not going to open that right now. If you were at fishing camp last year, you know exactly how terrible my life jackets were. I got new ones that we can be a little bit better this year. And they'll hopefully actually fit everybody. I actually do have some leftovers for my tiny kiddos that are coming. That's box number one. It's not very fun. We got better stuff coming. Well, box number two I actually already opened because I was very excited about it. It's our fishing camp t-shirts. I don't know who this one's gonna be for. This is an XL. This might be mine. We'll find out. This is what this year's fishing camp t-shirts look like. Each year I do a special fishing camp t-shirt for each, or just for fishing camp. So this one is this year's fishing camp t-shirt. Classic on the front, just the little logo. We do have a new logo if you haven't noticed. I updated last year's logo just a little bit, so I didn't absolutely rip it off Canva. But this is the back. I think it's pretty sick. Kayla, can you see it in the shot? Nice. A little higher, she says. A little lower. Boom. There it is. Classic. They're gray. I think they're sweet. I think the logo is super sleek. I always think less is more. It's a good time. Everybody gets a t-shirt at fishing camp. We might even have some to give away. I'm not sure. But I've got over 30 t-shirts in here, so we should be good to go. That's box number two. Let's find out what's next. Number three. Here we go. Probably shouldn't jab the scissors in it too much. Let's break it. How many fishing people does it take to open a cardboard box without hurting themselves? Amazon, what are we doing with this packing? Why is this the way it is? This box is falling apart. Go away from yourself. There you go. There it is. Box number three. Baby, this one's loaded with actual fishing gear. Good grief. So we got a ton of fishing gear that we're going to fill these tackle boxes with this year. This is not what's going in there. This one, we got some prizes. Mystery tackle boxes that we're just giving away at fishing camp for you guys. Paper. You don't want paper. We've got, what is this? Oh, everyone's getting some MEP spinners, or some people call them rooster tails. That's going in your tackle boxes. More mystery tackle boxes. I got a bunch of them. What else we got in here? We've got an inordinate amount of spoons for you guys to catch some pike or anything that likes flashy stuff. We've got, what do we got here? We got more MEP spinners in different colors. You guys, single most underrated fishing lure that I have ever used, my brother-in-law Logan can totally attest to this, is the MEP spinner. You can catch literally any fish on it when nothing's biting. My gosh. You guys, we just had this past weekend, we caught so many giant pike on some black and orange number 5 MEP spinners. Wild time. You guys definitely got to use MEP spinners. Everybody's getting a pliers so that you're not going to get your hooks and stuff stuck in the fishies, because we're catching a bunch of them. This is like double packaged. What do we have here? I don't know if I should open this. This feels like bobbers. Last year we went crazy with the freaking almost state record sunfish. Oh, yeah, baby. We've got bobbers. We up bobbing. We caught over 100 10-inch plus sunfish at fishing camp last year. It was absolutely insane. That might be a slight exaggeration. Lots of 8 to 10-inch sunfish were caught last year at fishing camp. That was pretty sweet. We got bobbers. We're ready for that. Some split shots, those are going in your packs. More pliers here. This was a wild find. I got a ridiculous amount of jigs. Jigs, one of my favorite ways to go fishing. You can put it under a bobber. You can just cast it out and drag it on the bottom. One of my personal favorite ways to go fishing. This is also bobbers in here. More pliers. These are your actual tackle boxes. Loaded. I should say not loaded yet. They are packed right here. I'm excited to see how functional these are. This will be fun. These are your tackle boxes. We're gonna pack those someday this week. I'll figure it out. That'll be fun. So that was just box number, what number am I on? 4? That was box 1, 2, 3, 3 or 4. I lost track. Counting's not my forte. If you guys have had me as your teacher, I'm not a math guy. Let's go find out what box number 5 is. I've been waiting to open these myself. These boxes have been sitting in my basement for weeks due to a variety of circumstances in my life. I just haven't opened them yet. I've been meaning to make this a giant fun unboxing video. I'll tell you what's happening a little bit later. Gotta stay tuned. Box number, I don't even know. What do we got in here? What's going in your tackle boxes at fishing camp? These might actually just be the tackle boxes. Yeah, this is just more actual tackle boxes because I have a ton of kids at fishing camp this year. Same concept. What I love about these tackle boxes here, I'll crack one open. What I love about these tackle boxes is they have a ton of different little cubbies for you to store stuff in. I think that's super helpful, especially if you have a lot of tiny little things. The best part is they come out. So they come in these little, 2x2 panels, 2x2. The panels are just connected. So if you don't like them connected, guess what? You just break them like that. Now you can have bigger panels inside. So we wanted something bigger for your MEP spinners or whatever. You got those 2 bigger compartments. Completely customizable tackle boxes at fishing camp. You get all the little panels to yourself. I'll let you guys figure that out. Pick up your trash at fishing camp. Completely customizable fishing tackle boxes for you guys. That'll be pretty fun. I've got 3 more boxes left full of stuff. Let's find out what's in them. I don't even remember at this point. So when I said 3 more boxes, I meant like 5 and a bag or 2. 2 bags. Let's go with the small first. Drop your comments. What do you think is in bag number? I don't know what. It shakes. It makes noises. ASMR, fishing stuff. What do we got? I ordered this so long ago, I hardly even remember. I just know that we're packing these tackle boxes as full as I can get them. You guys can get the bang for your buck at fishing camp. What do we have? Yeah, it's the jigs that I am very excited to give to you guys. Look at those things. Look how pretty those are. I'll take them out of the bag. That's fine. Look at those. I really like these jigs. They're really sleek design, Gamakatsu hooks. They've got the bait keeper on them. So when you put your worms on, they're not gonna come off quite as easy as a regular jig. Big fan. We got some sunny hooks for you guys. Because like I said, these are really small. Look how small those number 3 hooks are. You're gonna be catching sunnies on those things. That's ridiculous. But like I said, we got a ton of huge sunfish at Lake Rebecca last year. I know we're gonna catch a ton of fish at Crystal Lake too, so get hyped for those. What is in this one? Doesn't really shake. Not quite as much. What do we got? Oh, baby, we are whacked up. We've got Senkos galore. Who doesn't love a good Senko? I love Senkos. One of my go-to bass baits. Everyone should have some. I think you're all gonna get like one of each color, something like that. So you get plenty of Senkos to use, catch some nice bass, hopefully. Though, as my wife can attest, I've caught a ridiculous amount of northern on Senkos for some reason. That doesn't make a lot of sense to me, but here we are. She said that's true. All right, number, we'll call it 7. It's either 6 or 7. Get out of my comment section. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What? These are like individually packaged. Oh, it's sick. I forgot I got these for you guys. This is a great find. So you guys know at fishing camp, we've got kayaks galore. We've got 10 kayaks for you guys for your disposal. You don't get to keep them, unfortunately. I couldn't, the DNR wouldn't let me just give them away. So I have to keep them, darn. But that means we can run fishing camps in the future too. But since you guys are fishing in kayaks, I felt like it would be really applicable if we had some good landing nets. Check that guy out. Not even bad. Kind of like a little, yeah, there we go. I could fit a bass in there. You could fit a nice bass in there. Folds up and everything. So you bring this with you in the kayak. This is for you to net your sunnies, your bass, your pike. Maybe we'll catch some walleyes. And I know in Crystal there are muskies, and I've heard that there's muskies in Lake Rebecca. I'm not promising anything, but I am saying this is not gonna net a muskie. If you catch a muskie, you just better holler at me and we'll figure it out. I've got a bigger net somewhere that I'll bring. Just kind of pull that thing down and yeah, that folds up like a dream. Look at that. I got a bunch of these, so you guys can use these as much as you want. This whole box is full of them. That's awesome. Let's go. All right, what do I got? I got 1 box and 1 bag left. This is a fun prize. This is a prize for somebody. We might call this one biggest fish prize. So person who catches the biggest fish at fishing camp at each individual camp gets one of these guys. Giant mother load. What's it called? Mystery tackle box, the mother load. This is strictly, not strictly, bass fishing mother load. This is for whoever catches the biggest fish at fishing camp. I am not gonna crack it open because I think you guys should be the one to find out what is in the mystery tackle box, though you definitely should show me. I'm fascinated as to what's gonna be in there. This is box 982, it says. They're both box 982. I don't even know what that means. Big fan of mystery tackle box. They always have some fun new stuff for you to try. You should see my stairwell over here. It's ridiculous. Mystery tackle box should sponsor me at this point. Got some more prizes. I think I've got 6 of these. These are sweet. So this is a mystery tackle box sling bag. So if you ever want to go fishing, you hop on your bike. It's kind of awkward to carry your tackle box with you, or you got a lot of stuff in your hands. You know what I mean? This wraps around your waist, or it goes over your shoulder. I think it comes with a lure inside of it. I'll crack this one open to see what's inside. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, this one comes with Senkos and jigs. What more do you want? And a sticker. You guys get stickers. And some jigs, like I said. So I got, I think, 3 of these given out at each fishing camp this year. I'll come up with a great idea for how we'll determine who gets those. But competitions galore. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have competitions. Try to catch some big fish, the most fish, biggest pike, biggest bass, biggest sunny, you name it. We had a kid catch a dogfish. Shout out Jacob from fishing camp last year. I hope you watch this, buddy. Special announcement, so stay tuned. Quick, big news from fishing camp. I gotta go grab the special news, per se. You wanna come over here?
You want me to know one?
All right, you guys, special surprise from fishing camp.
I don't want her to cry though.
She's gonna cry anyway. Come on, bring her over here. You guys, this is why we haven't been making videos in the past month or so. I'll take her. This is my daughter. This is Ellie. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Oh, are you okay? Yeah, you're okay. This is Ellie Heinrichs. So all of my students, you finally get to meet Ellie. She's the absolute best. She's our fishing camp mascot. She's got a big fishing camp onesie on right now. Fits her well. Ellie's already gotten in the boat with us once. She's gonna get in the boat again next week. It'll be pretty fun. But she's the best. To all my seniors that I had this year, I'm so sorry that I didn't make it to your grad parties. I totally thought I would. There's Miss Heinrichs.
Hey.
I totally thought I'd be able to make it to your grad parties. I did not have any clue how busy I was gonna be. I wrote all of you cards that I still have to send to you at some point, so expect those in the mail at some point soon. But this is Ellie. She might even make an appearance at fishing camp this year. I know, sweetheart. You're just the best. She's the sweetest. She was born early June, right at the end of the school year. So that's why I have not been making videos. But some things are a lot more important than fishing, right? Baby girl needs to go eat some food. If you want to meet Ellie, you gotta come to fishing camp. Fishing camp signups are closed, though. I don't know what you want to do there. I had this wise idea that it would be funny to pull my baby out of a box for an unboxing video. Turns out, you don't really control when babies cry. So you just kind of roll with the punches and just enjoy being a parent, because the past month has been amazing for Kayla and I. For the students that wished us well wishes and everything, just sent us notes. I went back into my classroom after the last day of school and I saw all the notes you guys wrote on the board. That was really kind of you guys. It meant a lot to me. I had a wonderful school year. Stay subscribed. I'll keep you guys updated on my beautiful baby girl and my amazing, wonderful wife. You'll see plenty of us. We'll keep making YouTube videos about fishing and all that good stuff, just adventures as a whole. But we're excited for fishing camp. We're gonna go get your tackle boxes packed up. We're gonna go get the trailer packed, and it's gonna be a pretty good time. Until then, we're gonna quit wishing and get fishing. We'll see you at camp.